I quit YouTube. My career is over. There is beef stew and there is beef stew. This is the ultimate beef stew. Ossobuco made on the barbecue. This is not just any recipe that I'm giving you. This is the best way I know how to make ossobuco, and it's gonna be so tasty. Let's get started. Every ossobuco starts with a good veal shank. Look at it, what a beauty. The key to having flavor in this dish is the bone marrow on the inside. It's like the ultimate part of this dish, or is it? Maybe that's not entirely true, because we're also going to make this awesome chicken stock, starting by smoking our own chicken on a Napoleon XL smoker. Our chicken wings picked up a good bit of smoke color, so we're adding them to a pan of boiling water. Then we'll add vegetables, starting with onion, celery, carrots, a little bit of parsley. Add that to the boiling water and also add some seasoning. Peppercorns, bay leaf, salt. If you want to have the exact amounts, check out our website. Our chicken stock is ready. Now it's time to grill our veal shanks. We created a beautiful crust on our veal shanks, but they're not done yet. We need them super tender. That's why we're gonna put them in a pan. Add a little butter to it, some white wine, and finally top off the pan with our homemade chicken broth. We're gonna let this simmer and keep on adding our broth until the meat is super tender. All of the chicken broth that we made, literally all of it, has been reduced in this pan. I just kept on adding it until we came to the point where it's super reduced. Now, I want to add a little lump of butter just to finish it off, get that creamy sauce. And to make sure it thickens, we're also going to add a little bit of flour. It looks good, right? We got a beautiful risotto at the bottom, and we got our ossobuco here. Super tender, super juicy, and super tasty. And on top we put the gremolata. That's what that butter was. Melting it down, adding a little bit of garlic, parsley, and some lemon zest. There we have it, our beautiful ossobuco dish. All the way from the grill, and that's why you know it's better, because we wood fire grilled it and it's gonna taste amazing. At least, I hope so. Let's figure it out.
I'm not sure what it is. I don't have any experience with this. I can't even pronounce it. Ossobuco. It tears up so easily. Whoa. Wow.
This is just ridiculous.
That is amazing. Insane flavor combination.
Let me
Now I know why it's so much work.
See, my speech stopped working because it tasted good.
You added so much flavor. Everything is in that pork meat. So you had like chicken.
Pork meat?
It's not pork?
It's veal.
Really? I thought it was pork.
I just wanted to tell you that it tastes really good.
It has become the broth, it has become the chicken, it has become the veal.
The ossobuco is really heavy in flavor, and it's like really dark, rich flavors. And then the gremolata, like BAM! Lifts everything back up again. It's like somebody put the light bulb on.
The risotto is also amazing. I just want to eat it.
And the risotto is like there, like a pillow, and carrying the whole dish, and it's making it light and fluffy and airy. And
I don't want to talk about it. Just look at it. It just, I mean, this is a spoon. It just falls apart. I don't even know what gremolata is, but it's good.
It's like a, I want to say good opera, but I've never seen opera, to be honest.
And that lemon.
A cloud with dark flavors. It's delicious. Why don't we start a restaurant, Morrison?
The outside is red, so it picked up a lot of smoke. So loose in structure. It reminds me of an Indonesian dish, rendang.
I don't know, cheap meat compared to what we're normally spending. This is like nothing.
How do I get it out?
With your finger, stick your finger in it.
Oh. That is amazing. That might be the best part.
How can we make a dish better than this? I think we just need to stop.
After this, you need a nap. I just ate a steak in the other video. I can't be hungry.
We can stop. I quit YouTube. My career is over. This is what makes me happy. Hey, and if you want to find out the exact recipe, it's on our website. So go there, pitmaster.com. Thank the YouTube members and the patrons. You guys freaking rock. You know it, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know what to do, right? Give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. See you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling. Got some kick-ass music in the background right now?
I hope so. It depends.
You edited it.
Yeah, but it depends on epidemic sound. What do they give us this time? They give me presents.
Really?
Sometimes, yeah. They send me special. No, of course not. It would be awesome. I think we deserve it.
What more do you want if you can eat this?
I'm gonna find a special contract for this.
It's ridiculously good.
I know. It's insane. I even love the risotto on its own.
Yeah, well, it's basically a rice porridge.
Yeah. That's amazing. You have more?
I got more. Look, we got plenty. I wanted to keep it from you, but I just wanted to share it with my kids and wife.
Yeah?
But it's okay, you can take some.
I'm just gonna take one piece, because I'm not really hungry.
Say that one more time, and we're making the t-shirt.
I'm not really hungry.
If you give this video 4,000 thumbs up, Morrison is gonna make that t-shirt.
Am I?
Yeah,
Okay.
4,000 thumbs up.